any questions on this. It's better if it's really cold or even frozen, the cake, when you do this part, so it doesn't fall apart on you.
Okay.
And really, it could be, you know, it can really be any kind of cake because we're not really carving it a lot. I just pulled the fondant down, so I'll push that back up. And once you get to about this, I think what I will do is kind of get the neck on there so that I can see what else I want to trim.
Okay.
Okay, is that all right with you guys?
I think that's good.
Yeah?
I think that's
You think?
Good.
Okay,
Yep.
good. Cake Stila. Stila!
Once per show.
Once per show.
At least.
I don't know when this cake was made. Joke's on you, buddy. Yeah. Woo! Didn't see that coming, did you? Okay, so this, like I said, it's probably going to be a little long. I'm going to actually poke it right in here, right into that opening. Actually, well, maybe just a tiny bit. They're usually more the same height.
Yep.
Yeah, I think. I don't know if I ever had
Usually.
a turtle. Maybe
Then
I was
again,
deprived as a child.
I think it's your choice on this.
It's my choice
If you want
because.
a long neck, the South African long neck turtles
Oh, are there?
are different
the
than
South
the
African long necks.
than the Tustin short neck
Oh,
turtles
okay.
or the San Diego short neck turtle.
Ooh, I think I just ripped his tail off.
Oops.
That's a no-no. I did that so that you could see.
Whatever
Take
shall
some
we
chocolate
do?
here. You should really put it on here and not dip the pieces in your chocolate because then your chocolate
It's contaminated.
Has PVC on it.
It's got.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
It's got PVC. Okay, so that goes into that little opening, and then I'm going to take extra chocolate and actually put it around here to kind of help seal that on. Like so. So the importance here is make sure that you don't mess up his tail.
Yeah.
Okay, so take your time.
Right. But
Like
we're here
that.
to show you. If you do, we're going to show you how to fix that.
We are?
Because yes.
Well, I hope you know how.
Because I know how to do it. Sure. I say, hey Susan.
Hey!
That's how I fix it. I
That's
call
how you
call a
fix it.
friend. Can I ask the audience?
I never worry, right? You don't
Nah.
worry, you just fix it.
That's it.
Right?
That's it.
Yep. That's the way to go. Okay. Here we go. We have it now. And I think I can actually work with that. Let's see if we can go ahead and actually bring this back up a little bit. Because you won't see that part. So.
Now is that tail sticking directly onto the foam core and not the cake?
Right. It's onto the foam core. The foam core is down here. Because remember we had a little gap here and there's a little gap
Yep.
in the front.
Yep.
Okay. I want to make sure that stays on. You know, it has a little some extra support in the front.
Yep.
So I'm just going to take a little bit more of the green fondant. And I am going to just wrap it around here, like so.
Nice.
I actually may as well go ahead and cover the neck now. So the head's going to be there. I only need a little piece of green there to go around that neck. So I'll just take a ball and then roll it this way and just kind of flatten it out. Like this. And then take a little bit more shortening, like so. Because you can never have enough delicious shortening. Actually, I'm going to go this way. Kind of push this down. So this would be the neck portion. So I guess I didn't need that first piece. I could have just done it all in one. But, you know, not like I've made this little turtle before.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right, people.
Yeah.
This is a first for all of us.
Right here.
Right here, yep. Right here, live.
Mm-hmm.
Anything could go wrong.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I may as well make some little lines here. For his little neck. And then we'll worry about getting the head on there in a little bit. Okay, then we can go ahead and we're going to use buttercream. Buttercream. And we're just going to slap this on. Slap it on there.
Yummy.
Mmm, delicious buttercream. Okay, and I just want a pretty good coat. I don't really want to see any of the cake through it because we may have some little gaps once we put our flowers on.